And what did you get out of the workshop today?
The importance of the story, the importance of following through with some logic, which I've never really appreciated. And I think the thing I would suggest to people thinking about it is come along because of the rigorous training she's giving. Think more about the story in terms of trying to frame the what if, so that consumers will buy into the story.
A colleague of mine had been to the TDWI conferences, and I think he first went to one of Nico's workshops there, brought back the material, and I thought, this is great, I have to go see her and see what she does. I think it was fabulous to really show me the difference between left side and right side of the brain, and how keeping things simple is the best. Keep an open mind and get ready for those actions.
I met Miko on SAP conference in Nice like 4 or 5 years ago, and I kind of followed the BIBrainz. So yeah, I listened to a podcast which I recommend. I think that you have to nail down the details with the user to kind of get him thinking a different way than just, here's a bunch of KPIs and like UIT, do something with it, visualize it.
And what one piece of advice would you give to someone attending?
I think that if you're thinking about how to approach the user differently, how to talk to the business about the BI stuff, then this is definitely in the right course.